Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking the question, should all foreigners in Thailand obtain medical insurance? I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail. That's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Tourist Insurance Scheme Excludes Expats. The thrust of that article goes in a different direction. We're going to quote a small excerpt from that, but I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article for more detail. Quoting directly, all foreigners in Thailand should purchase comprehensive medical insurance or self-insure with at least 3 million baht or 100,000 US dollars in reserve. I don't necessarily know on the self-insurance if that level of that number is particularly necessary. But that said, yeah, it generally is a pretty darn good idea, especially for older expats, retirees, to have some form of medical coverage. Now, as we've discussed in other videos, it may not be a requirement for your visa. For example, an O retirement visa does not require insurance, whereas an OA retirement visa does. So again, depending on your circumstances, it may or may not be a requirement for your visa. But that said, just generally, is it a good idea? Yeah, I don't think it's a bad idea. I think having medical coverage is always a good idea. That said, with regard to self-insurance, that is the threshold for the OA visa, that $100,000 or 3 million baht. I don't know if that's necessary, absolutely necessary to have like 100 grand in cash just sitting around in a bank account somewhere in case, you have a medical problem. That said, yeah, medical insurance just generally, I think overall is a pretty darn good idea for any expat here in the Kingdom of Thailand.